Hi guys, I'm Gino.
I'm Dino.
And we're Boom
Boom
Twins.
Twins.
So we are going to Intramuros, Manila. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Right. So, good morning. Okay, my brother has a new shirt. I have new pedals. And then the new tires, testing it out.
Yep, new tires, new brakes.
Right, we're good. And then new blood. May new ba? May mga kasama tayo na mga bata. Ako. Mahirap to ah. So I think we're going to Intramuros today. The place where I go every day. I'm not gonna say. Alright. So have fun guys. Sunday morning, so we're still on the way.
Morning!
We're going to Manila.
Recovery ride from last week, pamatay ride.
200 kilometer ride last week.
200 kilometers.
Okay, time for picture. So we're already at Quezon Ave, going to Rotonda, okay, then Espanya. So yan yung daanan namin. Then Quiapo Church I think. Then grabe mga kasama ko, lalakas. Yan no?
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning sa inyo. Papunta na tayo Espanya.
5 seconds code.
Wow, laki na yung UST. Grabe. Ganda ng school na to. Very, very nice. Mga USP dyan, mga uste, go uste. Yun, nandyan mga kasama ko. Nandyan na sila. Yun, Kuya Dennis.
Oh, twin bro! Twin bro! Twin bro! Yes, to twin bro!
We're at Manila Bulletin, okay? Right, this is Manila Bulletin. Okay, everyone's here. Okay, we just dropped by. Okay. Actually, it's the best newspaper company, publishing company. Yeah, in the Philippines. Yes, it's the best. It's been here for a long time. I think more than 100 years now. So yeah. It's been through a lot. Yeah,
And it's still here.
Still here, still standing. So awesome. And of course you can't go in. You need the face shield and
Yeah.
and of course this is an office, so
And don't forget to also check mb.com.ph.
alright, for the latest and greatest news. So we're gonna have breakfast at Belfry. I hope it's open. Again, depends on the availability. If it's open, then we'll have our breakfast there and maybe some coffee, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So
Coffee.
coffee is the best always.
Free parking.
Okay. This is Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago, but I think it's closed. Closed to. Yeah, closed. I think they closed it. Pero may mga tao na eh. I think closed lang siya. Closed. United Philippine Lines. Okay? What's this? Don't know. Baluarte de San Diego Gardens, but it costs I think 50 pesos.
50 pesos entrance.
Yeah, but we're not here to like pay 50 pesos. Okay, I know we're not cheap. Okay, we're not cheap. I'm just saying we just went here to check Intramuros, but not really go inside Intramuros, right? The purpose of this video is just to vlog and
Have coffee.
have coffee. So we haven't found our coffee yet.
Yes.
Yeah. So my brother's testing out his new wheels. Yeah.
New wheels and
new wheels, new brakes.
Brakes.
It looks good. Then his attire is so blue.
I'm so blue. I
Yep.
feel so blue.
I feel so green. Green-minded.
Ano?
Alright, so this is San Agustin Church. Okay, you can't go in, of course, where we have bikes. Oloy and Dino. Okay, we're here. Alright, just touring the place in Manila Intramuros. Yeah, there's they're parking. Okay, so we are here at Belfry Cafe. Okay, Belfry Cafe. It's in just beside the church, Manila Cathedral Church. Okay. So, mga kasama natin. Hi. Hello. Okay, so here's their menu. Oh, there, coffee latte, coffee Americano. See, I know it's 110. Ice. Okay, we're gonna have that. We're gonna have iced coffee. Oops.
Ang siga naman ni Mo, diretso pa.
So I'm gonna have iced for me. Okay, he was
Hindi mo
excited.
kita, naka-reflect.
He was so excited. Grabe. Yeah, I'll order na. Tagal hindi.
Paano biglang kumalungkot? Paano gumagalaw pa ba? Yes.
Oh, gumagalaw to. This is the face. Nice place.
Kasi mababasa ko na. Kaya kapag ginawa ko. Hindi ka maubos mo isang kape? O dito ka?
Alright, so we have Belfry. I ordered the ice Americano and their banana waffle, I think. So all in all 180 pesos. So 60 pesos yung, not bad for me, not bad.
I love the place.
So the place is good. So
Love the place, and they are so good with us because they let us park our bikes inside.
yes.
Some
So
inside their area.
yeah. So salute to them. I salute these people. They allow cyclists. Okay, they allow cyclists. A while ago, the Tapa place, I don't know, it's super cheap, but you know, you want good service and accommodation, service, and you know, food's okay, but if the service is bad, you know, it's bad. But here, the service is good. I salute them. Okay. Gana ng service nila. So let's try their coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna try their coffee. Cafe Americano, Belfry Cafe.
Gusto pa na ni Josh tumama
Okay.
sa Tagaytay.
Start. Okay. I didn't add any sweets or syrup. Yun. Okay.
Pwede naman
I
bumalik.
like the beans.
Bumalik. Actually, masaya yung Tagaytay.
Kasi malamig.
Sakto.
Yeah, naglutang ko.
Saktong-sakto. Okay, I like it. Okay. And then, let's try their, what's this? Banana loaf.
Minsan, ano, pag
Not bad. Okay? It's not too sweet. Sakto lang. I like it soft. Okay, I think it's sweet because of the chocolate.
Pwedeng mas malayo, kunyari.
Yung chocolate masarap. Sarap.
Ganda kasi mag-bike nun.
Okay, so
Oh, yung
food is good. Okay, coffee is good. If you wanna have coffee here in Intramuros, okay, go straight here. Okay, I like the place. Really spacious. Okay, it's beside the church. Okay, and customer service, 100%. Mabait sila. Okay, sometimes it's not always the food, sometimes not always the beverages. If you have good customer service, you'll have a good time. Okay, and then you always go back. So I salute to them. Okay, Belfry. Here in Intramuros with Aleli. Ay, laging naka-cellphone. Okay. Hi. Oh yeah. Hi. Hi. This is Alalay. Okay. Bike friendly din siya. So if you're planning to go there, okay, just check the link below and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so that's it for our video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I'm Gino.
I'm Dino.
We're the Boom Twins. See you guys on the next one.